This is New Life with Precious. If you are a returning subscribers, you are welcome. Thank you so much for your support. If you are new on my channel, remember to subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell for more videos. So today, I want to teach you about how to use spiritual bath, coconut water, and honey to attract money and uncommon favor into your life. Spiritual bath, coconut water, and honey can be used to attract money, wealth, prosperity, and uncommon favors into your life. You know, when we talk about uncommon favor, a lot of people think about money. People always think about money. Don't get me wrong, money is very essential in our life. But there are some things that you have to take care of in your life, and money shall be added thereafter. Using spiritual bath, coconut water, and honey is actually an ancient practice. It is a practice that human beings are being blessed with to use to attract favors into our lives. Personally, I'm a living testimony, and I've been using spiritual bath, coconut water, and honey for a very long time, and I've seen the effectiveness. It has worked for me 100%, and a lot of people have shared their testimony too with me. In fact, I'm so happy when people talk to me, when they message me, when they talk to me, they are so full of thanks, and I tell them it's not me, it's God that is doing wonders, because without God nothing is possible. We can't live out God from our daily lives. We actually have to involve God. So, how to use spiritual bath, coconut water, and honey to attract money, wealth, prosperity, and uncommon favors into your life is very essential. You can use spiritual bath, coconut water, and honey to defeat negativity. You can use it to remove negativities from your life. Like I said, there are some things you really have to get rid of before you can attract money and wealth into your life. If you are somebody that is negative, if you are full of a lot of negativities, if you are full of a lot of spiritual problems, if you are being faced with spiritual problems, it will be so hard for you to attract wealth. It will be so hard for you to attract money into your life. That's why you really have to make sure you remove negativity from your life. You have to remove anger from your life. You have to make sure you get rid of spiritual problems. So all you have to do is just make sure you get some water in a bucket. The water you're going to use for your bath. Get that ready. Then you have to get coconut. You need one coconut. So you actually have to get the water from the coconut. Then you need honey. You need raw honey. As I always stress, everything you need to use has to be raw. Make sure you get raw honey, get raw coconut water, and you get your bath water ready. All you have to do is you have to pour that coconut water in the bucket of your bath water. Then you have to put about 1 tablespoon of honey in that water. Then you have to pray to God. You have to do a serious prayer. So you have to do this in your bathroom. Preferably, you have to do this at night, like around midnight. Okay, you have to pray to God. Like I said, you can't leave God out of your life. You can't leave Him out of your affairs. You have to involve God in everything that is concerning you. So you have to remove everything. You really have to pray with your eyes closed. Okay, you have to remove everything, reject everything. Tell God whatever you don't want in your life. Tell Him to remove it into your life. You really have to believe in this prayer, and that's very essential. Your faith is very essential, meaning you have to believe that your requests are being answered. So you have to pray to God. You have to reject all these negativities. You have to reject all the problems, whatever you're going through, whether you're facing failures, you're going through marital problems, you're going through job problems, you're going through poverty, you're going through sickness, you're going through disease, you're going through lack of favor, whatever it is your problem is, because no problem is too much for God to solve. So tell God whatever it is your problem is, whatever you don't want into your life, whatever you don't want in your life, whatever you want to attract into your life. Okay? And make sure you act right. Make sure you remain clean. Don't involve yourself in dirty acts. Okay? Remain clean. Then ask God for whatever you want. Reject whatever you don't want. Then do these serious prayers for 7 days. And you have to bath with that water. Do this in the midnight. Okay? Make sure you do this at midnight for 7 days, and I assure you, your problems shall be solved. Your problems shall be solved. You will have your own testimony too. So do this and leave your testimony in the comment section. I assure you, you too will have your testimony. God has done it for others. He did it for me. He did it for a lot of people. And you too shall not be an exception. In Jesus' name. In the name of God. In the name of Allah. So, there you have it. If you love this video already, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you have not yet subscribed, remember to subscribe to my channel. And I would like to see you in my next video. Okay, bye bye.